So if you want to transact on PancakeSwap, you're going to need some BNB coins, but the process of converting from US dollars into BNB coins is a bit convoluted. So in this video, I'm going to lay out the entire process A to Z. If you want to transact on PancakeSwap, get yourself some BNB tokens, and you're sitting right now with some cash in your bank account, this video is going to walk you through exactly how to go from A to Z and do that. So the first step in the process is to acquire some cryptocurrency. I personally prefer Ethereum. As I'm from the US, it's a little bit more difficult to just go straight from dollars to BNB. So my process is to go from dollars to Ethereum to BNB. And so to go from US dollars to Ethereum, easiest way to do that is through a platform called Gemini. It's the platform that I personally use to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, and it's one of the most secure options out there. They've also got a deal going on right now. If you use the link in the description below, you can get a free $10 of Bitcoin just for signing up. So let's walk you through the exact process of how to do that and get yourself some Ethereum, which you can then swap into BNB very easily. So in the description below, head to that Gemini link. You can choose to use the link or not. Again, the link supports the channel and it gives you $10 worth of free Bitcoin. If you don't want to use it though, no pressure either way. So it's going to take you to this page that once it loads, we'll mention that $10 offer. You'll press get started and it'll take you through the process of setting up a free account on the platform. Once you're all done with that, it'll take you to your dashboard that'll look something like this. Now from here, very simple process to buy some Ethereum. Hover over Ether, click on view details. You'll go to buy, how often, once, how much, let's just say $100. Don't check that box, press continue. You'll have to add a bank or debit card. Banks are going to have lower fees. Debit cards are going to be a bit faster. I personally prefer banks. You'll use Plaid to link it up securely. Pick whatever bank you have. Say you use Chase Bank, for example. You'll go in here, link up your Chase account to your Gemini account. And then once you do that, you can head back out here and then in payment method, your account will pop up. I've got a US bank account right here. You'll just press confirm. That transaction will go through and then your Ethereum will show up in your account right here in my portfolio. Or if you go into view details on Ether, you'll be able to scroll down and see your Ether will show up right there. So now you've got Ether, you need to convert that Ether into BNB. How are you going to do that? Well, you're going to need two different things. The first of which is a MetaMask wallet. And MetaMask is essentially the kind of industry standard cryptocurrency wallet that pretty much everybody uses at this point. If you just go to metamask.io, you'll be able to download that. You'll get the Chrome extension that'll pop up here and look a little something like this. Now, once you get that all set up, it's going to give you a seed phrase. Make sure you record that. Get all that set up. You've got your MetaMask right here. It's going to show $0. I've got a little bit of just random stuff in here right now. But at this point, you've got your MetaMask wallet set up and it's set to Ethereum mainnet. Now, the BNB that you need to use PancakeSwap is not on the Ethereum mainnet or Ethereum network. Instead, it's on the Binance Smart Chain network. So you have to add the Binance Smart Chain network to your MetaMask wallet. Might sound a little complicated if you've never heard that before, but it's actually a pretty simple process, okay? So what you're gonna do is search up connect MetaMask to Binance. Click on this first result here on academy.binance.com. You're gonna scroll down here to this section that says mainnet, okay? This is going to allow you to set up Binance Smart Chain within your MetaMask wallet. Now, how do you do that? You click on this little fox guy. You're gonna click up here on Ethereum mainnet. Scroll down here. This is what you're looking for. It won't show up yet though. You have to go to custom RPC. You're going to type in all of this information. So for network name, you're going to type in smart chain, etc. You'll just go through this entire process, input all that information here. You'll press save. Once you do that, then it will show up right here as your Binance Smart Chain mainnet, okay? And again, there's not gonna be anything in here. I've already got some BNB in here, but you won't have anything in there. But that's how you'll know that this is set up. If you see the BNB icon here and it'll say 0 BNB, it says Binance Smart Chain mainnet, then you know you've set that up correctly. And the last thing that we need to do is now convert our Ethereum on the Ethereum network to BNB on the Binance Smart Chain network. Now, how we do that is through a platform called SimpleSwap. Very, very easy process as the name would suggest. So essentially what we're doing here is converting. So we have to convert from Ethereum to, I'm gonna type in BNB and make sure you select the Binance Smart Chain version. Okay, this BSCBEP20 version. If you do this version, you're probably gonna lose all your funds. So don't do that, make sure you do this. And then for how much Ethereum we wanna send, we'll just say we wanna send 0.03 Ethereum. And then for the recipient's address, what we're going to do is go up here into our MetaMask again, make sure Binance Smart Chain is selected, copy this wallet address up here, paste it down here. We'll press exchange. And now we see that we have an exchange started. What you're going to have to do now is send some Ethereum to this address, and then it's going to deposit this BNB into your MetaMask. So we've bought our Ethereum on Gemini. So we're going to copy this. We're going to go back to Gemini. We're going to say transfer. We're going to say withdraw from Gemini. We're going to select the currency. So in this case, Ethereum. We're withdrawing our Ethereum. As you can see, my account doesn't have any Ethereum available to withdraw, but let's just pick a currency that I do have. So assuming this was Ethereum, we press continue. For destination, we're going to paste in that address that we got. Again, this is not a valid Bitcoin address because it's a valid Ethereum address. You'll paste in this address, you'll press continue. Under amount, you'll just copy and paste the amount that you said here. So 0.3 Ethereum, you'll copy that, you'll paste it in here, and then you'll just complete the withdrawal. At that point, the status is going to progress along these 3 bars. I've already done this transaction, so I've got the completed page right here. So it'll eventually look like this. You sent this much, you received this much, and then it will show up within your account right here as this BNB. So the whole process in general probably take about 5 minutes for this thing to complete, to go through the entire stages of the process, at which point you come over to PancakeSwap. You come to, just go to their homepage, you'll press trade, come here, press connect wallet, press MetaMask, and you can see our balance is going to display here very shortly. Once that's all synced up, great. You can see that's our balance. And so now we can transact on the PancakeSwap platform. So that's the entire process, A to Z, of how to go from US dollars into BNB, which you can then transact on PancakeSwap. Again, kind of a convoluted process, but if you're trying to buy some of those lesser known cryptocurrencies that don't trade on any other exchanges, then this is probably going to be your best bet. So if you have any questions about the process, again, can be a bit complicated, let me know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to sign up with Gemini. Helps out the channel tremendously if you choose to use that. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.